to Jobkar. I'm Shabana, and today's video is going to be a job opportunity. But before moving further video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar and also like the video if you feel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update, and share it with your friends and family. So today's video is going to be about a job opportunity, and this is from Mindtree, and they are hiring for junior software engineer for cyber security. We will check the role descriptions. So to get selected for this job, you should know the security concept well, and fundamentals of operating systems. Networks should be able to perform primary analysis of malware, phishing, and threats, and providing detailed threat description, and designing and implementing detection and remediation of these threats, and knowledge in regular expressions and yara rules, and ability to read code, JS, and VBA, HTML, and similar scripts, and worked on web applications, and know various browsers, data security parameters, know at least tracking tools, MS Office, and project working method, and fulfill 24 hours SLA to respond to the customer escalation reported in the portals by analyzing the threats, and take specific actions documented in TSGs provided by FTEs, and troubleshooting guides, and triage and assign escalation request and tracking system to the on-call analyst, and follow up and obtain status updates according to expected SLA, and until resolution provided to customer, respond to acute crisis outbreak situations, and or high priority submission with efficiently with high accuracy, and response e-purpose process enhancement and tool functionality to raise response quality grade 300 fish and malware potential FNFP samples per day based on the scenarios provided by customers, provided a daily status update over a team meeting to cover the grading and response work. So these all are the responsibilities you will be taken after you get selected as a junior software engineer for cybersecurity in Mindtree. So this is all about the role descriptions. Now job requirements are application vulnerability scanning and analysis, Microsoft, others. Okay, so these all are the job requirements, and the skills they want in a candidate are application vulnerability scanning and scanning and analysis, Microsoft. So they want these skills in a candidate who apply for this job, and other details, or you can say other skills they want are good to have basic knowledge of URL analysis or phishing grading, open for freshers having suitable knowledge and good communication, and candidates should be ready to work and attend the training in Pune location for from next week, and ready for shift working, all three. So there will be shift working, and immediate joining will be immediate basis, and all people can apply because they have not mentioned any specific criteria. It's just that you should have knowledge about all the skills they have mentioned, and all the responsibilities you will know in going to take, so you should have knowledge about all these things. So this is the about the job. If you want to apply for this job, then anyone can apply for this job, and you need to click on this apply now button. The link will be in the description box, so do apply as soon as possible. And this is all for today's video, and if you like the video, you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker, and also share it with your friends and family. I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.